Okay, my Eureka AirSpeed was delivered just a few minutes ago, so I just took it out of the box, as you can see, and it came quick and came fast. And stick I'm getting ready to put. I got my little granddaughter, and get ready to put this in here, and it locked. It's the handle, and now we're going to see how it works. Now, this one was my other vacuum cleaner that I got from Amazon before I got the carpet. So this is good too, but I didn't think it was good for this carpet. So I got the Eureka AirSpeed because I liked the reviews. So I said, you know what? It was like in range with the cost, you know, that I can afford. It's very affordable, and I like it. It's cute, and I have a real small apartment, so I didn't need nothing really big. So let's see how it works. And I want to see how much dirt will it pick up versus what this one couldn't do. This one was just temporarily, so we're not doing a review on this. Just let you know that's the one I had before that. That's good for floors. It did pretty good, but I wanted something more heavy duty to get up the real dirt because I had this carpet like for 2 years and I don't think it got a really, really good vacuum. So let's see what the reviewer is saying. Okay, let's see how it works. Push that down. I can hear things going inside. Oh my God. This is absolutely great. Look at this. The other vacuum couldn't do that. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, it's really good. Oh, I can hear the stuff that is inside the carpet that the other vacuum cleaner couldn't get up. This is getting to it. You can look at the difference between over here where I didn't vacuum versus over here. Oh, this is good. Oh, look at there. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is so good. Look at my daughter. She's my granddaughter.
So, this came from under, but I think I had the filter wrong, so I'll try again. Just opened it, brand new. Those up later. Just moved in, haven't unpacked. But just wanted to get some of this lint off though. I'm moving in. okay job. Just a job. I got it for $50. I know people have gotten it for $30. I wish I caught that deal, but it does the job, you know. If you're looking for deep suction, I would say try something else. But it's easy to maneuver around the room. Sometimes I feel like let it sit and pick up. Some dust afterwards. I don't see anything in there. Don't know. Hoping I got the filter in right. Jesus. Try both ways, I get the same results. So that hairball was left afterwards. But for its price, it works for now. If I decide to get super picky, I'll purchase something different.
Easy setup. Picked up. This is good vacuum. Lift the carpet up. Cat litter. Cat hair. Oh God, I need that. Good vacuum. Oh, this is it. This is the one. It lifts the carpet back up. Look at that. Picking everything up. And I have 2 cats. So, and a lot of plants. This is it. Oh God. This is the vacuum.
Eureka AirSpeed Ultra-Lightweight Powerful Compact Vacuum from Amazon. And this is my son who's 8 years old. He is vacuuming with it for the first time. He's trying to get all the debris off the couch, and he's able to operate it really well with his little hands, and I would definitely recommend this item to anybody that has kids and needs a vacuum that's not too heavy and is easy to operate. So I would definitely give this item a thumbs up. I would definitely recommend ordering it again if needed. And this is a very good vacuum, not too high priced, and from Amazon. So absolutely give it a 5-star thumbs up. Eureka AirSpeed.
Так.
Он офигеть как всасывает. Ёп.
Look at how clean, brand new, pretty. This is the basement vacuum. So stands about belly button height on me, 5'6". So very lightweight, nice, yeah. But she gonna get dirty shortly.